Go back over here. Okay, so what do we have to do next? Okay, so let's do the ID. As I mentioned previously, if you have an ID of your part, the first thing you need to be concerned about is, do I have enough room to get in there with my insert? Because the insert, is a certain length, a certain width. The tool holder, we don't dimension the tool holder. You can't actually define the tool holder. It just puts one in there. So this is just for simulation purposes. So you need to make sure that your physical tool holder and the insert that's on it, this width, there's enough room inside your part to get in there. If not, you're going to have to use all drilling operations. So we use 3 drilling operations for most of it, and then we're going to do 1 pass on the inside to do the finishing. From here, make sure your endpoint is set. We're going to, from here, and you can see it creates a rectangle. So this is the volume of the area that you're going to be roughing out. And I want to go to this point here. Okay. And go back over here to the roughing tab. We're going to use linear cuts, or we can use offset. We're going to, all that should be okay. So here it's roughing out. Let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this to 1/2. Okay, so we can see the entire inner diameter. So you see that your tool holder and your insert, there needs to be enough room that you don't hit the other side. So let's go ahead and simulate that real quick again.